If you want a garage door that works beautifully and lasts long, call 669-257-6567 or visit www.santaclaragaragedoor.com. At Santa Clara Garage Door, we pride ourselves on being your local experts. Trust us to provide reliable and affordable solutions tailored just for you. Call 669-257-6567 or visit www.santaclaragaragedoor.com. Our experienced team ensures transparent pricing and clear communication every step of the way. That's why Santa Clara residents choose us for their garage door needs. Call 669-257-6567 or visit www.santaclaragaragedoor.com. Whether it's a simple repair or a custom installation, we've got you covered. For peace of mind and a perfectly working garage door, call 669-257-6567 or visit www.santaclaragaragedoor.com. Trust, transparency, and tailored solutions. Santa Clara Garage Door, your local experts.